Okay, guys, I've been playing around with the Split Mini for a couple days now, trying out the different firmwares and everything like that. And I pretty much have settled that the stock settings are pretty much the way to go. And you're going to see the stock settings at the halfway through the flight here, so at about a minute 15, minute 20 or something, I'll flash a thing that says now. But these are my adjusted settings, which are just a little bit of desaturation and a little bit of contrast, black and shadow adjustment. I tried to adjust this stuff out using the settings in the actual Runcam mini menu itself, but it just makes really big changes. It doesn't make the actual little subtle changes that I'm looking for to make this look really nice and natural and everything like that. So in the end, the best settle for the FPV feed and for everything else is just going to leave it stock and play with it in post if you want. So right now, here you go. These are the stock settings, and you can see that the saturation is definitely a little high. It's a warm picture if you like that. You can see the contrast levels are a little high. Things look a little hazy. The shadow detail is a little, it's a little on the dark side. So I need to actually, kind of move some stuff around. Just little subtle changes, not a lot. So, and as I said, it's the best compromise for the FPV feed as well. So I think pretty much everybody should be pretty happy with the upgrade and this right here. As far as flight performance goes, you don't see it hunting as much in light conditions, so I think they have optimized that a little bit. So it's definitely worth the firmware update just for that. So it seems to handle the changes a little bit better. So go ahead, upgrade, leave it at stock settings, mess around with your goggles, have fun.